Hello to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you must be fine at your home and enjoying vacation. But you know your unit test 4 is coming soon. So you need to prepare for that and you need to aware of that. So what we have discussed in the previous video, we had discussed about the perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square, perimeter of triangle, and the area of rectangle, area of square, and area of triangle. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss, or you can say, let's learn about the volume of cube and volume of cuboid. Firstly, you have to understand about the cube and cuboid. आपको अच्छे से समझना पड़ेगा. You need to understand about cube and cuboid. So I am going to make cube. So this is the cube. Join this, and this is the cube. This is the cube, and next one is cuboid. Next one will be the cuboid. Next one will be the cuboid. So what is the cube and what is the cuboid? Can you see the difference between the cube and cuboid? Are you watching this? आपको लग रहा है there will be the difference between the cube and cuboid? Yes, sir. It is looking like a square. It made up of a square and it made up of a rectangle. And we know that the definition of square and the definition of rectangle. What is the definition of square? The definition of square is all the sides are congruent. All the sides are congruent. And definition of rectangle is what? Opposite sides are congruent. So cube made up of square and cuboid made up of rectangle. It has 6 faces. It also has 6 faces. It means cube has 6 faces and cuboid has also 6 faces. All the faces are equal in cube. You can say all the faces, सारे faces equal है. Because it made up of square. अगर ये square से बना है तो इसके सारे faces equal होंगे. Because in square all the sides are congruent. In cube all the faces will not be equal. All the faces will not be equal. There will be difference. You can find length, breadth and height. So volume of cube is equal to, you can write volume of cube. So that will be volume of cube. What is the volume of cube? Volume of cube will be side into side into side. A cube. Volume of cube will be side into side. Volume of cube is equal to side into side into side into side. Side into side into side. Sir, why side into side into side is there? Because all the sides, all the faces are equal in cube. And if you talk about the volume of cuboid, then it will be length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. So what is the length? This is the length. This is the breadth. And this will be the height. Length is there. Length of the cube is there. Length of the cube is there. Breadth of the cube is there. Length of the cube is there. Breadth of the cube is there. Height of the cube is there. Height of the cube is there. ये आपका लेंथ हो गया, ये ब्रेथ हो गया, ये हाइट हो गया. इसमें कोई भी आप ले लो, लेंथ ले लो, ब्रेथ ले लो, हाइट ले लो, तीनों आपको सेम मिलेंगे. Now if you take length, breadth and height, all the things are same in cuboid. That is why side into side into side means length is there, breadth is there, height is there, but length is equal to breadth is equal to height in cube. Length is equal to breadth is equal to height in cube. Cube में आपको length, breadth and height same मिलेगा. In cuboid length, breadth and height. So dear students, what we have discussed? We have discussed about the volume of cube. Cube is made up of a square. Cube square से बना है. And cuboid is made up of a rectangle. You can say cuboid is made up of part of rectangle. And in rectangle, we know that the opposite sides are congruent. So in cuboid there will be length, breadth and height. In cube there will also be a length, breadth and height, but there is a condition: length is equal to breadth is equal to height. That is why the volume of cuboid is equal to length, volume of cube is equal to side into side into side, and the volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So you can take one a question based on it. For example, any question you can take from the textbook, and that will help you to find the volume of cube and volume of cuboid. So dear student, this is for all. In this chapter what we had discussed chapter name is perimeter, area and volume. Chapter name is perimeter, area and volume. So perimeter, firstly we discussed about the perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square, perimeter of triangle, and after that we discussed about the area of rectangle, area of square, area of triangle, and after that we discussed about the volume of cube and volume of cuboid. I revised once again: perimeter of rectangle is 2 in bracket length plus breadth, perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, perimeter of triangle is equal to a plus b plus c, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, area of square is equal to side into side, area of triangle is equal to half into area of rectangle, volume of cube is equal to side into side into side, and volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So this is for all today. So try to solve all the question which is in your textbook. Till then we'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Bye.